It is September 27th, 2019. This is my daily recap video. Today I took one trade on Microsoft, an open range breakdown, and it was a success actually. A pretty good morning. So, what I saw, look at this big red candlestick on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, there's a wick on top, but better than being on bottom. It went through all these averages here, and on the 1 minute, it made its nice move down below all these averages and came back up and was getting close to the 20 EMA. And on the 5-minute chart, it was actually not quite at the VWAP yet. The VWAP, kind of moves as the morning goes on, along with the averages, but the VWAP, more early on in the morning. So it wasn't quite at the VWAP like it is showing here, but I thought that was a good place to get in. So I shorted it, 150 shares. It was a little bit risky because it was right back at this gray line, which is an SMA, a longer term SMA on the 1 minute chart. But I don't know. I feel like that since it broke below and closed below a couple times, I thought it had a good chance of coming back down again and look like a pullback. All this low volume still. So that was looking good to me. So next candlestick. Oh, it it actually hit my stop at one point for like a second, but because it was only for a second, I didn't react quite fast enough. So that was actually good for me that I didn't react fast enough, and so technically I should have been stopped out because of that, but I was a little bit too slow, so I didn't get stopped out. But I'm glad I didn't because, as you will see, it turned out to be a good trade. Um, it went down and I covered some. And then it went down some more. I covered some more, and it kept going down some more, and I kept covering. And then at some point here, I don't remember at what point, but then for some reason I did not see this gray line on the 5-minute chart, which is a higher period simple moving average. So if I would have seen that, I would have been even more aggressive at taking profit. May not even taken the trade, I don't know. But because of that, I was kind of aggressive. As soon as I saw that, I was pretty aggressive in taking profits here. So, and it worked out. It kept going down. I kept taking more profit, but I was just taking more shares off than I may have normally because I was worried that it wouldn't go down much farther than this. And but so it came back up, pulled up, and I was kind of concerned still. So even though it came back up, I took some more profit off here to you know to cover uh, to alleviate maybe some of that risk I was taking on, since I didn't think I was going to go much farther down. So I thought maybe a good point to take some more profit. So it came back down, took some more profit, and then it was basically like, if you look at this, it was forming a great descending triangle on the 1-minute chart. Look at this nice baseline right here, and then boom, 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 3 points hits. Kind of hit again here. The only problem again was on the 5-minute chart. It was just still hovering around this SMA here, this gray line here, by this red dash line. So again, it did break below a bit. So I took some more profit, and then I took some more as it kept going down. And then let's see here. I think that was about the end. And finally, it broke. It made another leg down, and so I took some more profit off. And then finally, I was keeping my stop loss at a little above the red line here, which is the 20 SMA on the 1-minute chart. And it finally went above and hit my stop. So that was the end of my trade. So overall, I'm actually very happy with it. Because I should have been stopped out, I obviously should have had a little bit better entry, but thankfully it worked out, and it was a $45 trade, so that's good. That's my only trade for the day. I only traded 4 times this week. Let's see. Yeah, so my other 3 trades were red, losers. So I'm almost break even for the week, but I'm actually up $4.58. So at least it's a green week, so I'm happy about that.